Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have an account. Now jump in. First, sign into Google Cloud Skills Boost and enroll in the quest tied to your target badge. Choose by role so the labs map to real tasks. This ensures the badge proves the right skills. Once enrolled, bookmark the quest syllabus and open the first lab. Make sure to claim any sandbox or project resources provided so you can run commands without setup delays. You will now work through labs and assessments. Treat them as mini projects. Start each lab, run the exact commands in the sandbox, and use the validation button after each checkpoint to record completion. If a lab has a quiz, answer carefully and revisit failed questions before moving on. Once multiple labs are complete, assemble any required artifacts or logs the quest requests. These often serve as evidence for the you're at the finish line. Confirm every checkpoint reads complete and that the final assessment passed. Then claim the badge from your completed quests area and connect it to your LinkedIn or resume for visibility. If the badge does not appear, rerun failed validations and clear the sandbox state, then retry submission. If problems persist, contact Skills Boost support with lab ID and screenshots. They can manually verify completions. Remember to export any lab logs before closing sandboxes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.